Hello, Blue.
Don't fly away.
He's like, get off.
I'm a bird that
here, Blue.
loves myself.
Come on, step up.
I can't move.
There you go.
I'm gonna put it on the big screen. You want to see me some birds?
You want to see some birds?
That's a big screen.
Go to the movie theater.
That's DOI.
We're just gonna be at the movie theater, Blue. You wanna watch a movie? He's like, what is this thing behind me?
Can I come out?
He's like, what?
So cool.
He's like, technology?
I just want to see.
Watch the theater movie.
No.
You wanna watch? Go ahead.
Did he poo?
He's like, ew, Applebee's.
I heard a sound from him. Did
No, he's fine. He's like, I want to fly, man.
Dude, look.
He doesn't want to watch your movie, Katie.
No, do you want to
Okay,
see birds?
come here. Watch the movie. Watch the movie.
Don't wake up the birds.
Watch the movie. No, not me. The movie.
See it.
Here you go. He won't go
You have to
down.
flatten your hand.
He won't go down. Blue movie. Look, he just went like, no.